This is the ECD, my actual setup. This one is the ECD with bigger ring, smaller ring over, and these are the three MOSFET, each one having his own heatsink, and you can see also a piece of electronics in this breadboard here. Later, at the end of the test, I show you some details about this setup. The oscillator actually are a Wavetech 288, a Wavetech 145, which are set one to 47.5 and the other about 22 kilohertz. The power supply is actually set for safety purposes to plus 8 volt for the collectors and plus 10 volt for the MOSFET drivers. So let's start now to see something very interesting, which is the reconstruction of a sinusoidal wave. The scope probe is set on phase point. Now, let me set a bit my video camera, and then I will switch on the power. Okay, that's it. You can see that the vertical scale is 20 volts and the timeline is 10 microseconds. You can see at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sinus. I just put better the synchronism. 5 sinus, which are just pieces of sinus, because for safety purposes I only converted some piece of sinusoids, but you can see clearly the sinusoids. Okay, here is better, and the piece of sinus that you see are really really pure sinus. I can also make a storage trigger, so that's freezed, and you can appreciate the amount of reconstruction. Of course, it's possible to do more reconstruction, and so you will have more juxtaposing sinus. That's all for this evening. I know that I got some problem with the cam here because I have not a good tripod. When you find a thing, you never find it. I don't remember where I put it, so I just doing it in not the correct way, so the quality could be not so high. Good evening to all. Sorry. Now I try to show you the thing. Okay, this is the ECD. Now I just rotate and you can appreciate the 3 MOSFET with the black heat sinks. Now I zoom into a new assembly. This is just my new assembly in order to drive properly the MOSFET. The little thing up on the right is the ERF 7307. Near this there is a DIP which is a 6007, just in the case you need it. This assembly has been done in order to avoid the radiation coming from the wire. Here is again the ECD. All the connections are referred to this terminal block, and you will note something that I forgot to say before, that for this test I were testing a special straight collector coil and not the auto kind, I mean. This is just the secondary is under and is about 10 meters of 0.16 enameled wire, and over there are about 4 meters of one standard electrical 1 millimeter wire. That's all. The 90-degree collector are 5 millimeters wires. Here you can appreciate the thing. Sorry for my bad English, guys, but I suppose that you will understand anyway.